Hey guys, this is Matt with an unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard. Let's get started. So on the front here you have a picture of the side of the keyboard. Right side here you got an Apple logo. Can you see that though? Another picture, another Apple logo, wireless keyboard. And that's pretty much all on the box. So let's cut that open here. Now this does work with over Bluetooth, so it is Mac and PC compatible, so that's nice. I'm personally getting this for my iMac, even though mine came with one, I had to get another one. So there's the box here. Just open it up like that, and here is the keyboard. Take that out. There it is. Very nice. Very thin. It's a very nice design. Requires two AA batteries, but that is pretty much it. Set this off to the side for a second. See what else you get in this box. You get a manual, and that's pretty much it. So here is the actual keyboard itself. Alright, let's unwrap this. Here's the keyboard. On the left side of the device, you have the battery compartment for your two AA batteries. Let's get that sticker off of there. And on the right-hand side of the device, you have the power button to connect it to your computer via Bluetooth. And the front obviously has the keyboard. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to set up the Apple keyboard on a Mac. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple wireless keyboard on an iMac. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your computer. You're going to go to System Preferences. From there you're going to go to Keyboard. You're going to go to Setup Bluetooth Keyboard. What you're going to want to do is press the power button on the right side of your keyboard. Okay, there you go. Now it found my keyboard, so you're going to press Continue. Let it connect to the keyboard. Okay, now you're going to have to enter the numbers on the screen. So that's basically how you set up a Apple wireless keyboard on a Mac. This was my unboxing and setup of the Apple wireless keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.